Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can significantly increase the download speed on Opera GX. So let's get started. So in the first step, launch the Opera GX web browser, and all you will need to do is make a slight change in the experimental feature section of your Opera GX web browser. To access experimental features, simply type here in the address bar on your home screen of Opera GX Chrome and then double dot and double slash, and in addition to that, flags. Press enter, and that is going to take you to the experimental features list here on Opera GX. Now in the next step, use the search bar here at top where it says search flag and type in parallel to gain access to the parallel downloading feature below. And all you will need to do, guys, is simply switch from default here to the right to enabled. After that, confirm that setup by clicking on relaunch in the bottom right corner, relaunch Opera GX, and that should fix the issue and allow you to download with a significantly higher speed. And that's basically it. That's how we do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.